In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Amazon gift card. Whether it's for a birthday, a thank you, or just because, gift cards are a perfect way to let someone choose what they truly want. Amazon offers a variety of options, and I'm going to walk you through the simple process of purchasing an Amazon gift card. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Amazon and locating the gift cards section. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll notice that Amazon provides different types of gift cards to suit various needs. Your options include the electronic or e-gift card, which is delivered quickly by email or can be printed at home, and the physical gift card, which is mailed or shipped to actual addresses. The electronic option is perfect for last-minute gifts or when you need something immediate, while the physical card can make for a more tangible surprise for your recipient. Now that you've decided the type of card you want, you have the chance to choose the value of the gift card. Amazon makes this super simple by providing preset amounts like $5, $10, $25, and more, but you're not limited to these selections. You can also enter a custom amount if you have a specific value in mind. Once you've settled on the gift card type and value, you can make your gift more personal by taking advantage of some optional features. For e-gift cards, consider adding a personal message that will be delivered with the card. This makes your gift more heartfelt and unique. Additionally, you can select a specific delivery date for the e-gift card, which is especially useful if you want to plan ahead and have the card delivered on a special occasion. For both e-gift and physical gift cards, you also have the option to choose a design or appearance of the card, allowing you to tailor it to the occasion or the recipient's taste. The next steps are straightforward. Simply click on Add to Cart once you're satisfied with your selections. If you're ready to complete your purchase, proceed by clicking Proceed to Checkout. Here, you'll need to select your preferred payment method, which can be a credit card, debit card, or another available option on Amazon. If you've chosen an e-gift card, you'll receive a code via email once payment is confirmed, or you can print it directly if you prefer a hard copy. This code is what you'll give to your recipient, who can then redeem it on their Amazon account. For those who opt for a physical gift card, just keep an eye out for shipping updates, as the card will be mailed to the address you specified at checkout. And that's it. Your thoughtful gift is on its way, thanks to Amazon's easy gift card purchasing process. Whether you chose electronic delivery for convenience or a physical card for impact, you've ensured that your recipient will have the flexibility to choose something they truly love. Thanks for watching, and happy gifting.